Hello guys and welcome to AMH Tech SL. In this video I am going to show you how you can power your router during a power cut. So if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to press the red subscribe button and please press the bell icon to be notified on the new content I post. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Just imagine you watching a trending video on YouTube connected to your Wi-Fi router and suddenly the power fails. And then your video starts to buffer. Well, I have a solution for this problem. You can use the Wi-Fi router even after the power failure and continue watching the trending video which you are watching on YouTube. So, I will be using a 4G router for this video. When I turn it the other way, you can see that there is an output for 12 volts. So, it is powered using the 12 volt adapter as shown. Now let's get further into the video. There is a small gadget to power your router using a power bank. So let's open the packet. You can buy this gadget in Daraz or AliExpress or other retail stores and online stores. One end of the connector is the DC jack and the other end of the connector is a USB input jack, and it has an output of 12 volts. You can also purchase this gadget through our store page amhtechslshop.greatsite.net. I will provide the link in the description and you can also see the link on screen. So to power your router using this particular cable, you will need a power bank. In this video I will be using a Xiaomi 10,000 mAh power bank. So the first thing you will have to do is you will have to connect the USB cable into the USB opening of the power bank and next plug the other end to the 12 volt DC port and wait for the router to power on. And now the router has initialized. The router doesn't use much current. You can use it for at least 24 hours. You can continue watching the trending video on YouTube through your phone connected to the Wi-Fi router. So if you are someone who lives in Sri Lanka, then this gadget is a must buy for you. Thank you for watching my videos and please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family.